Welcome to this installment of ARDEX Answers. Another commonly asked question we receive here at ARDEX is in regards to efflorescence. Efflorescence can be caused due to a number of reasons. However, the most common reason we see is due to the contact coverage of your tile adhesives underneath the tile system. More so, the notch lines underneath the tile not being completely collapsed, not installing them as per the TAVA method to Australian standards, water getting in between the grout lines, sitting into those voids. When those tiles warm up from the sun, water then comes to the surface through those grout lines, bringing it along with salts, which will leave a nice white deposit on your tile surface. The problem rarely goes away, and in most cases, the tiles will need to be completely removed. We've included some tips to help prevent efflorescence in the comment section. ARDEX Australia has systems to eliminate efflorescence, so please call 1800 224 070. If you have any project or product related question, please feel free to comment on this post.